never criticize each other taking the district between Hobbyganj and Maulvi Bazar. The inhabitants of Hobbyganj, that means they are Sylheti. The inhabitants of Maulvi Bazar and Sunamganj, that means they are also Sylheti. We have a name and fame as a great Sylheti all over the world. We have to save Sylheti tradition and culture. We are real humanitarians, has a great Sylheti all over the world. Every person will have to know the matter. We are inheritors, 360 awliya. In them, the emperor of awliya, Hazrat Sayyid Shah Jalal Yamani, may Allah bless upon him, is the spiritual father of the people of Sylhet division. There is laid in 120 awliya at Sunargarh Upazila in Hobbyganj district from the 360 awliya in Sylhet division who are the thorough fighter in the way of Almighty Allah. It accepts also most qualified person have taken. It accepts also most qualified persons have been taken part in this Sylhet division. Sylhet division is related into 4 districts: 1 Sylhet, 2 Maulvi Bazar, 3 Hobbyganj, 4 Sunamganj. There is no distinction in 4 districts. Our culture, our civilization, our tradition, all are extraordinary to the public face all over the world. Sylhet division is the second London all over the world. As Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, Sylhet is the spiritual capital of Bangladesh. This is the only land to the public face all over the world. Never get unjust and unpeace taking the motor transport between Hobbyganj and Maulvi Bazar. Guilty person is always avoided, righteous person is always accepted. We want to live in together with peace and safe, has a great Sylheti all over the world. Thanks everyone to follow my video.